Hey folks, welcome to Dave's Kitchen, and today we're going to do like easy fish tacos. So you can do these fish tacos through the week, or you come home on Friday and it's like, do I order something or do I bother with that stuff? These are easy to put together and it doesn't take much time, and let's get to it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is make a little crema, because you got to have some crema that goes on top. So, first thing we're going to do is mayonnaise. About a quarter cup of mayonnaise. And actually this mayonnaise, so I normally use Hellmann's, but this mayonnaise is... well, it's like a Japanese mayonnaise. Actually, I got it at Walmart. You know, it's, well, I'm going to try it anyways. Next thing, about a quarter cup sour cream. Just gives it a little bit of tang, you know. And, like, this is a fairly quick and easy recipe. Like, you know, there's no crock pot, instant pot, and all that kind of nonsense. You know what? I've watched a lot of videos and I'm not against that. You know, but this stuff you can do quick. So, we've got the mayonnaise, the sour cream, about a quarter cup of each. Okay, so you got a little bit of mayonnaise, sour cream, about a quarter cup of each. So you want about, I don't know, maybe about a quarter cup of cilantro. Chopped up. That's kind of like close enough. And then I got, well, not a quarter cup, but green onions. Okay, mixed in. And then I got a little bit of jalapeno pepper, probably about a quarter of a jalapeno pepper. And garlic, a whole clove of garlic. And I'm using this fancy thing just for you guys. You know. And you want to make sure you get it all in there. And next thing, lime juice. Okay, so I got a lime, and I'm gonna put it in here. Probably about I don't know, about 2 teaspoons. You know, this thing will fit in here. You know, like we're in Canada, so like sometimes the limes we get are a little bit bigger. But anyways, so you need about, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons. That's good. And we need like a little bit of salt. Probably about, I don't know, 1/4 teaspoon. Same with the pepper. Crushed black pepper. And I'm also going to add just a couple dashes of cholula sauce, which, like I said, you can get at Nostalgia Latin Market. And this place is unbelievable. Like, you can get everything there. You can order it online. And you know what? It's amazing. You can get all the dried chilies there. You can get all the hots. Everything that you would want from Mexico, you can get there. Okay? So this is all mixed up. Now, we're going to set this aside and we're going to come back. And what we're going to do is we're going to bread the fish, do the tacos, put the dressings together, and it's ready. Okay, folks, So what we got here is we got egg. Okay, so we got one egg. Just kind of mix it up in a bowl. Nothing heavy, nothing fancy, you know, none of that kind of stuff. And then we've got about, I don't know, probably about, maybe about a cup of beer. And this beer is like, it's in a red can, Smithwick's red beer. Okay, so we've got that. Now, here's what we got. We got the egg wash, we've got the flour, and we've got a couple other things. Okay, so Old Bay. I got panko breadcrumbs, but they're seasoned. That's the only ones I could get. So put Old Bay in each one. Put a little grind of fresh ground black pepper in each one. And, well, salt. We're going to do some salt in each one, but the panko probably doesn't need it, because it's already seasoned, but I'm going to put some pepper in anyways. There we go. And salt. We've got salt. Probably about a teaspoon. Same with the egg mixture. And mix it all around. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do a 3-step thing. So we've got, I don't know, probably about a half a cup of flour. And we've got, I don't know, probably a couple teaspoons of Old Bay in each. And we're going to take the fish and we're going to put it in the flour. And just make sure the fish is coated. Okay? Just make sure that it's coated all the way around. Then we're going to put it in the egg wash, which is with the beer and so forth. Then we're going to take it out and we're going to put it in with the panko breadcrumbs. And the panko just gives it that little bit of extra texture, okay, instead of regular breadcrumbs. I couldn't find like the non-spiced panko, because they didn't have it at the grocery store. And all this stuff either you have or you can get it at the grocery store. Okay, so egg wash again, turn it around, make sure it's all coated. And what's going to happen is the egg wash is going to make everything stick. Okay, so I've got one wet, one dry hand. And just make sure that it's coated. Okay, and put it away from you when you put it in the oil. And just let me wash my hand here and get all this goop off it. Now, these are going to go in there until they're about golden brown. So it's going to be a few minutes on each side. Okay, folks, I heated up the tacos. I've got them in a thing keeping them warm. Only took about, I don't know, 20 seconds a side or something. So, the fish, nice, golden brown. Depending on the thickness of the fish, I mean, you only need it a few minutes on each side, and then just kind of like cut it up. Okay, and once you cut it up, they're ready for the tacos. Okay. Okay, folks, I've got everything ready. So, first thing, I've got the tacos, taco shells, like they're all warmed up. I've been keeping them warm And these are just to make them pliable. Okay, so these are white corn tortillas. They're more like street tacos. And then what we're going to do, I have paper towel to keep them warm. So we're going to take the fish and we're going to put the fish in just like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take like some onions. So I got some white onions or yellow onions, whatever you have. And put some of that on. Just a little. Okay. And then we got cilantro. Okay, so you gotta have cilantro on these. Period. Okay. Then you need like, I've got, this is like cabbage. I mean, you buy the stuff in the grocery store, you know, it's like the coleslaw mixture. And it's not expensive. It's like $2.40 or something. You know, a little squeeze of lime over each. And once you do the lime, then you've got the crema that we made. And the crema is like sour cream and everything. It's got cilantro, jalapeno, everything. Just put a little of that on top. Okay? And once you got that on top, if you want, well, I've got cholula, but you can use your favorite hot sauce if you want. A couple drizzles. And they're ready to eat. Okay, so fold them up. And this didn't take long at all. You know what? It's just like Mexico. Like, all the flavors are there. And it didn't take long. So, you got, mix up a little bit of crema. Chop the onions, cilantro, slice of lime. Get the coleslaw mixture because it's mostly cabbage anyways. Put a little bit of that in there, put your favorite hot sauce on, and you're ready to go. So, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time with another one. Take care.